G'day folks, I'm Benno, and this is a day in the life of a truck driver. Yeah, well, you do tend to get a lot of this. Need a lot of this.
You have been driving for a long time.
White lines after white lines after white lines. But as you can see, here in North Queensland, we get to drive on some of the best quality roads in the country. Aren't they marvellous?
And we're still on this friggin' road. Fucking hell. Oh.
And some days get to travel through some absolutely glorious weather and glorious spots. And every now and then you get to have a chat with some of the interesting people you might meet out on the road.
Constitutional principle of executive accountability.
But all too often,
to Parliament.
this is what's happening on the highway.
The Parliament has, whether intentionally or frustrated.
Ooh, broke his trailer.
But this, you just don't see this too often. But this, unfortunately, is such a regular occurrence on the Bruce Hwy. There's a lot of them I'm not prepared to show you because they're just too graphic. But this day there was two of them. One was fatal, and then there was this one.
The site was once a Cold War biological weapons centre. Secret, remote, and close.
Shit! 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 Jesus Christ, that was fucking close. Yep, pothole construction team have been working overtime. It destroyed the steer tyre, have a look at that. Fortunately I was able to keep it on the road.
Drive off into the sunset, get ready to go and head and do it all again tomorrow. Well, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Catch you next time. Bye.